Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will be teaching you how to make money online using your smartphone on Telegram. So without wasting my time, please subscribe, like and share. So let's get right into the video. So first you need to click the link under my comment section so that you send it to Telegram. Then we'll start the process there. So let's get right into the video. Click on the link under my comment section. It will bring you to this boat. The name of the boat is Black Whale Airdrop. So here you click on, you perform taxes, then you make money online by performing taxes and referring each person. So each person you refer, you will get $20 or $1. That's $20. And they said earn free $2 for completing all taxes. So you earn $40 for completing all taxes. So first, after I click on the bot, it will tell you to join 5 channels. So I'm going to join all these 5 channels here. So I'll pause this video, then I'll join these 5 channels, then I'll teach you how to make money with this chatbot. So after I join all the channel, I'll click on continue. They'll tell you that click on submit details for continuation. So I'll click on the submit details for this way continuation. So I'll click on submit details. They said what? Must complete this task, then submit your Twitter username for process. So I'll click on submit details. So here you follow their account. You go here and follow their account on Twitter and like and retweet the latest post on Twitter. So when you retweet their latest post on Twitter, you're going to earn a lot of money there, a tax. So that is how the tax works. Just be referring people, performing tax and all. You can join their group to the group chat and know how to make money as soon as possible. So thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. If you use the referral link, you are going to get $20 for free. So that's all I have for you today. Bye bye. Please subscribe for more videos like